What's the meaning of BAA? BAA. BAA.
Ba. Ba. Ba is an onomatopoeic word most commonly associated with the bleating sound made by sheep. It is a vocalization that is used by lambs to communicate with their mothers, as well as by adult sheep in a variety of contexts such as during mating rituals or to express distress or hunger. The sound is created by the vibrating of the vocal cords in the sheep's larynx, producing a distinctive sound that is easily recognizable. Overall, ba represents an important form of communication for sheep, and is essential for their survival and well-being.